Hi, this is Lori with Creative Lady Boss Designs. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about the Procreate Quick Menu. And if you're wondering what that is, let me shrink my screen and I will show you. So a quick menu is, depending on how you have it set up, I have mine set up to touch on my screen and hold, is this menu that appears. And what its function is to help you work faster and more efficiently in Procreate. So these are just shortcut menus, so you don't have to use the menus at the top. So we're going to go through and I'm going to show you how to turn that all on and how you can set up your own. So the first thing you want to do is you want to tap on the wrench screen up right next to the word gallery in the upper left. And you want to come down to where it says gesture controls. And you'll notice you have all these gesture controls. Well, in today's tutorial, we're going to talk about the quick shape. And you'll notice that I have mine to set up as tap the little square, which is between the brush size and the opacity. Or you can, I also have down at the bottom, I have touch and hold to turn on. You can play with these settings and determine what works best for you. For right now, I'm just going to leave these two settings on. And then I'm going to tap up here in the upper right, I'm going to tap on done. So to get the quick menu, like I said, between the brush and the opacity, I have the square. I can touch on that. Oh, I think I changed it. And I'm going to, let me go back. I did change it. Let's go back and take a look at what I did. I got to remember where I turned it on at. I don't remember, so there we go. The quick shape. I was trying to mess with the quick shape because I don't know what the quick shape is. So I'm going to tap on done. And then now we'll shrink it. We'll come over here. I'm going to tap on the square and it brings up my quick menu. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring up the quick menu and you'll notice this first one that pops up is what Procreate has filled in for you. Now, if you want to change any of these, you can. So you'll notice I have clear layer. If you want to change one, I'm going to tap on flip vertically and I'm going to hold it. And that allows the selection menu to come up. Let's say I want to change it over to liquefy. So that way, anytime that I want to do something and I want to liquefy it, I'm just going to get rid of a screen here. I'm going to tap and we'll just use the brush that we're on. I just have to make sure my layer is selected. There we go. So I'm going to tap on that. I had my monoline selected. So if I tap and hold the screen and I want to choose liquefy, you'll notice it brings up the liquefy menu and it works just like it normally does. If I tap on, hold on my screen again, if I want to clear the layer, you'll notice I can clear the layer just by touching on clear layer. So some other things you can do is you can add more quick menus. So if you tap and hold on quick menu, you'll notice I added one called brushes. So if I tap on that, you'll notice I added brushes for quick menus. So I can come over here and tap the hard brush and you'll notice it brought up my hard brush and I was able to draw with it. If I tap and hold again, and let's say I want to clear the layer, I can tap this, go back to my quick menu 1 and clear the layer. You can have, I don't know how many quick menus you can have. Right now, I just have a couple, but if you want to add one, you would just tap and hold quick menu, tap on the plus sign, and it's going to label it quick menu 3. And what you can do is you can tap and hold that, and it will bring up your keyboard. And I'm just going to type in test. And then what you can do is you can touch on any one of the pieces that say no action, and you will bring up the quick menu, and you can say, maybe I want it to open up the layers panel. You can tap on another one, and maybe I want it to say, oh, let's see here, turn on my selection tool. You can make these adjustments to whatever suits your needs that is going to allow you to be more efficient in Procreate. I hope you found this video helpful. Oh, before we go, I want to show you one other thing. One other quick thing that I learned is, let's say I have my hard brush selected and I have drawn. If you take your Apple Pencil and you tap and you hold on the smudge, it's going to choose the exact same brush. So I had my hard brush selected, so you can go through and smudge. The same thing holds true with the erase. So if I tap and hold erase, it's going to use that hard brush to come through and erase. You would just have to adjust the settings to what you need. And those are some other quick little tricks that I have learned from using Procreate, from learning from others. So I hope all this is very helpful. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments. And if you like this video, tap on the like button. And don't forget to tap subscribe and the bell to get notified when new videos drop.